Hola, soy Eli. Aquí está el informe de mal tiempo. Aquí en el noroeste del Pacífico tenemos una tormenta nueva y se llama Yagi, Tormenta Tropical Yagi. Pagasa se llama Dante. Dante es el nombre. Pero el nombre oficial es Yagi. Y Yagi mueve hacia la isla del Japón. Cerca de Japón tiene unos avisos de gale y casi gale y casi gale. Sí. Y aquí está, por aquí. Andrea. Andrea está un ciclón posttropical ahora y el aviso finalmente o algo así está emitido por la NHC. Pero lluvias fuertes aún son posibles. Y aquí está el mapa de lluvias potenciales. Y en Canadá tiene unos pocos avisos de lluvia. Ya, lluvia más fuertes. Sí, es la verdad. Y aquí en el Golfo de México tenemos una zona de probabilidad, pero es muy baja. Cerca de 0%. Aquí está el satélite. Esta zona, los vientos en los niveles altos no son favorables para desarrollo adicional en el momento. Está cerca 0%. Ya. Y todo es eso o algo así. So yes, what's going on? We've got a new storm. Let's turn this off now. So we go over to the Northwest Pacific where we've got Yagi/Dante. If you're familiar with the Pagasa name, they always have their own name chart. And we've got gale warnings and near gale warnings in effect for the moment. So this must be for other things. This would be about where Yagi is. By the way, let's put the satellite view on for this thing. There you go. There is Tropical Storm Yagi. However, I don't think Yagi is predicted to reach cyclone status as of this time, which would be roughly the equivalent of a Cat 1 hurricane. And then Andrea has had the final advisory on this system. However, heavy rain is still very much possible. And in Canada, the green stuff, that's apparently the advisories that have ended. The red stuff is for the warnings that are still in effect for rainfall and less wet wind. I have no idea what that says, but it's in French. Yes. So, and then we've got this area of probability over here, but near 0% chance on that because the wind shear. There's too much wind shear. The winds in the high levels are not favorable for additional development. Yes. So that is what is going on in the land of tropical cyclones. Let's switch over to tormentas eléctricas. Aquí están en el Estados Unidos or algo así. So 15% chance of winds and 15% chance of hail today. No watches in effect. Did not load the warnings page. Let's see if this might just be flash floods, possibly, Or, now that we've loaded, it's one severe thunderstorm warning in Florida. Let's back out, shall we? There we go. So that is the severe thunderstorm warning that's in effect right now. So no watches nor mesoscale discussions in effect. I think this stuff is supposed to be a later afternoon type threat, which is actually kind of true, early evening. Anyway, so here is the map showing the probability of winds today. So as high as a 15% chance and then 5% out on the coast. Here's the map that's almost exactly the same, showing the probability of 1 inch or larger hail. So again, something out on the coast. Tornado-wise is apparently just limited to this area, as high as a 5% chance today. So if you're not familiar with what any of these numbers mean, what they mean is you can pick this random point in Kansas, and it's in the 5% zone. And what you do is you draw a 25-mile radius circle around it, and the 5% number means that there is a 5% chance of a tornado occurring somewhere within that 25-mile radius circle. So maybe not you, but a neighbor. But, at 5%, that's still, it's both low and high. So, because I don't know. I never know how to phrase it. 5% for you being personally affected? Probably not. But climatologically speaking, 5% is pretty high. Tomorrow is high as a 15% chance in general. But look at how many states are affected by at least the 5. So quite a lot of coverage. And of course that can change by tomorrow. These outlooks are always changing for some reason. The weather just keeps changing. Day after tomorrow, just a 5%. But again, fairly large area affected by that. And days 4 through 8, the medium range right now is predictability to less. So there is some sort of severe weather. Well, I shouldn't say there is. It's forecast that there's some sort of severe weather expected in days 4 through 8, but timing and location not yet certain enough. Yes. What? Where are we? Here we are. Yes. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. Wix is WICKEDWX.com and Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. Let's go back over here. There you go. That is it for today, and hopefully you're staying safe out there.